Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by turning on the core permissions so photos record GPS. Open Settings and enable Location Services. This lets apps read your position. Once done, tap Camera and set location access to while using the app so photos include coordinates only when you shoot. Make sure date and time are set to automatic for accurate timestamps. These steps prevent missing metadata later and get you ready to capture a GPS-embedded photo immediately. Now you take the photo while ensuring metadata is saved. Open the camera app in photo mode, frame your subject, then tap the screen to lock focus and adjust exposure. This improves accuracy of the associated metadata. Press the shutter. Your iPhone embeds GPS coordinates and timestamp into the image EXIF automatically. If you prefer advanced controls, use a trusted third-party app that explicitly states it saves EXIF. Otherwise, stick with the stock. Finish by confirming the GPS was recorded and fix issues if needed. Open Photos, select the image, and tap the Info button to view the map and coordinates. This verifies success. If location is missing, make sure location services and camera permissions are still enabled and that airplane mode is off. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and retake the shot, or export the image to a trusted EXIF viewer. This helps determine whether the issue is permission-related or a temporary system glitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.